Okay, so here is our screen for our assignment. I know some kiddos are still having a hard time trying to read this. So what you're going to do is just come over here to the magnifying glass and hit zoom. And then you can click right there and slide over. Okay. Or you can just do this drop down and hit 100%. Okay. So this is going to be our assignment today. You're going to read these two passages, and I'm going to go ahead and read them for you if you would like to follow along. After we get done with each passage, we're going to come down here. So we're going to read passage one first, and then we're going to come down to the second page, and we're going to look for the pencil that says number 1, and then we're going to type our answer in right here. So you'll just click in the blue rectangle, and then you're going to be able to start typing. So let's go back up to the passage to begin reading. You can click on page 1. All right, so cause and effect. Remember, cause is going to happen first, and it tells us why something happened. And effect happens after cause and tells us what happened. Bobby wanted to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich quickly before leaving for school. He spread the peanut butter on one piece of bread, but when getting the jelly out of the jar, he spilled some on his hands. Not having a lot of time left, Bobby decided to wipe the jelly on his shirt. Before walking out the door, Bobby hugged his mom goodbye. When Bobby's mother arrived at work, she noticed jelly all over the bottom of her shirt. So you're going to have to decide what the cause was and what the effect was for this passage. So you will come down to the second page, and you're going to tell me what the cause is of why something happened. What was the cause of Bobby wiping jelly on his shirt? So why did Bobby wipe jelly on his shirt? Okay, and then you're going to tell me what the effect is. What was the effect of Bobby wiping jelly on his shirt? What happened for Bobby to wipe jelly on his shirt? So be thinking of that while you reread the passage. All right, let's look at number 2. Sarah loved being at the beach. She especially loved laying on the sand in the sun. One morning, as Sarah was headed out the door of the family's hotel, her mother reminded her to wear sunscreen. I don't need any, Sarah thought to herself. I don't like the way it smells. As the minutes turned to hours, Sarah began to feel a sunburn coming on. Finally, Sarah decided to head inside for some lunch. She looked in the mirror and was as red as a tomato. The sunburn hurt so badly. She wished she listened to her mom. Okay, so after reading that, you're going to come down to the second page, and you're going to answer these questions, okay? So what was the cause of Sarah not wearing sunscreen? Well, why did she not wear sunscreen? And then what was the effect of not wearing sunscreen? What is effect? It's what happened in the story. So what happened for Sarah to not wear her sunscreen? If you need to go back to the story and reread, you may do so. You can use this line tool right here to underline anything, okay? So I'm just going to use the example of just underlining this title, but you're going to come up to the toolbar, click the line tool, and then you're just going to go click down on your mouse, and then you're going to drag across where you want to end, and then let go of your mouse, and then it's going to draw a line for you, okay?